control. You don't know what you've done. You've made me, you bitch!
Oh my God, you're losing your mind!
Well, good. If Ruben's anything to go by, perhaps you'll start paying me some attention. I hate him. I fucking hate him.
No, you don't.
I do. I'm his bitch. I'm his bitch.
Hey. Come here. You're nobody's bitch, okay?
You knew it was supposed to be a fresh start, a chance to, and I just made all the same mistakes.
It's okay, it's not going to be here forever.
I don't think you realise how bad it is. It's like he's lost his mind to the whole thing. He gets drunk and talks about how having a kid is God's plan for him so he can break the cycle.
This is what you came back for, wasn't it, Bambi, eh? This is what you wanted to fucking shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, you little fucking rat. Trying to take something from me. Come on, you fucking rat.
Oh, this is Ruben, my brother.
That's it, Bambi.